Good day, everyone. If you're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications, you need a secure and reliable way to manage your digital assets. One's most important tool to keep their cash safe online. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, Trust Wallet makes exploring Web3 seamless, secure, and empowering. Let's dive in. Greetings everyone, and here's the theme of meeting, Dark Candle. And in this video, I'm thrilled to talk to you about Trust Wallet's Windows web version, specifically its browser extension, and why it's a game changer for crypto enthusiasts. Trust Wallet is a self-custody, multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet trusted by over 200 million users worldwide. While it's widely known as a mobile app, its Windows web version, available as a Chrome browser or even Edge browser extension, brings the power of Web3 to your desktop. Doesn't matter which one to use, it's Windows extension or even mobile app. Doesn't matter at all. The mobile app is even easier. You download it and that's boom, you're all in. This extension allows you to store, send, receive and manage millions of digital assets, NFTs, and connect to thousands of decentralized applications or DApps, all from your browser. Now, let's just start with it. And the very first, you just click here, downloading the application, and it is available for iOS, Android, application for Android, even in direct way, and download for Chrome, which is either available for Microsoft Edge, which I'm currently using. And by clicking on Get Extension, it will be automatically downloaded based on your internet speed from a couple of seconds to 1 minute mostly. And here we go. By fully downloading it, this screen pops up and it'll be automatically added to your extensions here, which you can pin it to have it on your site. Now, you can either create a new wallet, recover with mnemonic, recover with private key, or Ledger, connect your Ledger wallet. But we create a new wallet at the very first, which you're going to set up your password and rewriting your password once again. And that's all. I have read and agreed to the terms of service and next. And that's all done. It is all, your wallet is ready to use. That's perfect. Now, you could either set Trust Wallet as your default wallet, which I allow this to happen. By clicking Open Wallet, you'll have your wallet just in seconds, and that's all done. You could here use send, receive to send and receive cryptocurrencies and even NFTs here. And even swap between cryptocurrencies in different networks, which it has every available networks in here, and you can use each of them. And what makes the Trust Wallet browser extension stand out? At the very first, it's all about control. Your private keys are stored securely on your device, encrypted with AES algorithms, ensuring no one, not even Trust Wallet itself, can access your funds, and it supports over 100 blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. So you can manage your diverse portfolio in one place. Whether you're swapping tokens, staking assets, or exploring DeFi protocols, the extension's intuitive interface makes it all easy. And about security features, which is absolutely worth mentioning to say that they're all top-notch. Trust Wallet includes proactive risk alerts to warn you about risky DApps connections, addresses, and you can connect hardware wallet like Ledger for an extra layer of protection. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with platforms like Coinbase Pay and Binance Pay for easy crypto deposits. For power users, you can add custom tokens, tweak RPC nodes, or even import wallet from MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Now, one last thing left to say is about this warning here. Back up your secret phrase right now. by clicking on it. It says backup safely these 12 words in a piece of paper and never share it with anyone. About this, I gotta warn you that not under any circumstances. I'm repeating that once again, not under any circumstances. You're gonna share this 12 words of your backup phrase anywhere. That's gonna be only you and you know these 12 words. And now here, I'm going to teach you how to do it by entering your password once again. You'll see these 12 words down here. Mine is grief, genius, scissors, melt, very, toast, bunker, erosion, culture, pass, sorry, erupt. I'm only doing this for an educational purpose, but you are not going to absolutely share these 12 words anywhere. That's the third time I'm telling you this. Now, by proceeding, you would just arrange those 12 words here as it was. And after that, by clicking next, it'll be all done and your security will be just tightened even more. Now, about sending and receiving crypto in Trust Wallet. The first thing you're going to do is going to manage crypto and choose what coins to be appearing on the first page of this wallet. For example, I've chosen Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance, Bitcoin, and a smart chain. These are the networks. For example, BTC here is on Bitcoin network, and any other coins you can find here. And if you didn't even find, you can import the coin. Okay, now, by clicking on send here, first you gotta choose the network you want to do your transaction in, which here is sending, and it is initially on all networks. So let it be, and we're going to choose our coin. For example, here, Bitcoin. The first thing it asks me is recipient address, which I'm going to type that address exactly word by word of it, and then the amount of Bitcoin I want to transfer. And by clicking preview here, it gives me a preview of my transaction, and then boom, it's done. Now, for receiving, by clicking here, and well, I haven't backed up my secret phrase yet, but what I'm going to tell you is that you have to make sure you've done yourself. Now, proceeding anyway, here, either you can select what network you want to receive and then the coin. For example, either here we're going to choose Bitcoin, and there's something very important. It says that send only Bitcoin to this address and any other coins may result in permanent loss. It's very important that anyone's going to send you to this address, and by clicking on it, it copies on your clipboard that there's only Bitcoin can be sent to this wallet, not any other coins. You have to choose that coin first. It's very important. It's because of the security that Trust Wallet has. And this was something very important I got to tell you, and it's all done. Sending and receiving in Trust Wallet. Now, that's all about Trust Wallet. And one thing left to say is that about Trust Wallet's recent update, which got a major overhaul in September 2024, introducing a revamped design and enhanced functionality. You can now swap over 10,000 cryptocurrencies, manage NFTs across multiple chains, and even play Web3 games or dive into Metaverse, all from your desktop. And even your mobile phone, doesn't matter. The extension also supports your Wallet Connect V2, making it easier to connect to the apps. These updates make the Windows web version the perfect companion to the mobile app, offering a seamless experience whether you're at home or on the go. Finally, in a world where decentralization is reshaping finance, Trust Wallet is your gateway to Web3. It's simple enough to beginners, yet powerful enough to pros. So either download the Trust Wallet browser extension from the Chrome Web Store or for your mobile phone to have it everywhere at once to secure your assets and start exploring the decentralized world today. Your crypto, your keys, and your future. Trust Wallet puts it all in your hands. Thank you for watching this video and keep up till the next one.